Okay, let's look at getting some images for your info board, specifically images in this video. So I'm going to say this info is about Ms. Sweeney, Mr. Jewell, and their love of reading. Ms. Sweeney just handed me this book a couple of days ago called The Enchanted Greenhouse. Haven't had a chance to read it yet, but we're going to get an image of this to put on our board. So I'm going to use this cool new website called Google, and I'm going to type in what I'm looking for with my thing there. Enchanted Greenhouse. Nope. Enchanted Greenhouse. There we go. A couple things to look at. First of all, obviously we want images, so we're going to click over just to the images. I'm going to skip through the sales on that book and start looking at some of these. Now, the main thing with images off of the web, one, if you're worried about copyright, this is for school use. It falls easily within the education realm because you're going to be using it for a class, competing in a classroom at some school somewhere, right? So don't worry about the copyright. The size is the main thing. So notice as I click this one from the Barnes & Noble website, as I scroll over, so clicking it once puts this sort of sidebar over here. And it shows me that this particular image is 387 by 595. That looks pretty good, but that's also kind of small. Remember, your board is 20 by 30. It's very big. And it's kind of like putting a postage stamp on a giant billboard. It's not going to look great when you blow it up. AI imaging will help through Canva, but I'm going to switch to the Amazon one, and notice when I scroll over this one, over here it says that it is 652 by 1000. That's, more than twice the size, really 4 times if you, anyway. This is the one we want. Let's go with this one. I'm going to right click on that image. And I'm going to say Save Image As. Now on a Chromebook, you're going to save it directly to the Chromebook. I'm doing this example on a Mac, so I'm going to save it to my downloads. And I'm going to click Save. And notice there were some other things in my download folder already. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take all those things that you've got and bring them over to Canva to start placing on your info board.